Hey guys, okay, I'm going to show you very quickly how to do the Distributez video pop-ups, and it pretty much works the same for the social pop-up versus the content locker, with the exception being that the content locker, the folks aren't going to be able to close it out to get back to your site unless they click one of the share icons, share buttons. With the social pop-ups, you're going to give them the option to be able to stay on site, and you're not directing them to any other content. You're just basically looking to get the shares. So I won't go into both of these because the setup is almost exactly the same, but those are kind of the differences here. So here we are, we're in Distributez, it's activated. First thing we're going to do, we're going to choose a template style, which is video here. You'll know you're in video when you've got this image right here. Content, we're going to ignore content. We don't need content for the video, so no need to worry about a title or any of that stuff. Share links. This is just like previously in the other video that talks about creating, your standard social or pop-ups or content locker pop-ups. Same thing. Facebook, the LinkedIn, Google Plus, Twitter. You're gonna put your IDs in here so that the share buttons actually go to the correct social services. So video settings. We got 3 video settings. Embed. This is the original YouTube embed code. Public embed, the new YouTube embed code, and other video streaming services like Vimeo, etc. When you see the code and it has an open iframe tag and an end iframe tag with all the code in between, so it's kind of a short iframe tag. That's the public embed, that's the newer code. And then we've got private embed, and this is going to be something you're going to do with a service like Easy Video Player, Easy S3, your own kind of private video services. This is where you'd put that code. And then down here, you're going to put the video width and the video height. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So here I am, I'm in YouTube, and I've got my sad cat battery that you guys have here. And I'm just going to pause that because we don't need to go to all of that noise. But here's what we're going to do. So we're going to hit share. And then down here for share, we're going to hit embed. And you can see I was talking about that old school embed. Look, use old embed code. This is exactly what that's for. Let's go ahead and copy this. So this is an 853 by 480 video. We're going to go into our video code. Make sure we have the correct piece chosen here. Embed old school. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the width and the height. And that is it for this screen. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to move to display settings. Now this works just like the old, the other pop-ups that you were doing, not the video, but the other pop-ups. Same exact stuff. You can disable the pop-up, although I don't know why you would do that here, since we're just setting it up, but you can have cookies set. So, if they come every 7 days, they only see the pop-up every 7 days on a website page load or when the user tries to leave. And you can even do like a countdown timer to have it close and then even have it automatically close pop up after the countdown is done. We're going to leave all of that as is because we want this to come up when the page loads. The next option here, do you wish to disable the option to close the pop-up? So we're going to leave that as no. That's going to leave a little X right to the above right of the video, which means if they don't want to click any of the share icons, they click the X, they can still stay on the page. If you check this yes, that X is going to disappear, and then they're going to be forced to click one of the share icons, which would be good, but also they could get rid of it by leaving the page, which is bad. So we're going to leave this as no, so that little X is going to be there right above the video. Then here's where you're going to choose where to put that pop-up. Everywhere, just the front page, specific pages, specific categories, specific posts. I've got a page set up just for this. And then finally, the last thing, we're going to do a pop-up name and then a pop-up description. It looks like I've already done this here, so I'm going to just pick this one. The description, give yourself something that's really descriptive, so when you see a list of your pop-ups, you actually know which this one is. For an example, if I did another one that was a content locker, I want to make sure I can determine which is the content locker, which is the social pop-up, etc. All right, so we've got all of that done. Let's go ahead and save our pop-up. We'll know it's saved when it's all good here. We can see this is live because it's the green check mark. If it wasn't live, it would be gray like that. Now I've reactivated again. Okay, so we put this on a test page. So I am going to go to that test page right now. So here we are. We're on the test page. And boom, there's the video pop-up. There's your share icons. There's your X if you want to close it out. And look at that really sad kitty. Let's make sure it works.
Dear
It
Diary.
works. Cool. Let's make sure the X works. And that works too. Awesome. All right, so we'll leave that page where it is. And let's go ahead and try the other embed methods. Let's get rid of the use the old embed code. Let's do the new embed code. Here's the iframe. Let's go back. Now, I could create a new pop-up, but here I'm just going to go ahead and edit. So I'll show you how that works. Here's the edit function. Now I'm going to go back into the video settings for this, and we're going to switch this to the public embed. That's the new YouTube, the new Vimeo, those video streaming services, their iframe shortcode. And of course, the width is the same, the height is the same. Very cool. We're going to save that now. And then let's go ahead and let's refresh. Boom. There we
Dear
go.
Diary.
Again, your share, your X, keeps them on page. Good stuff. Okay, finally, here is a video I've got in Easy Video Player, or actually Easy Video Suite, one of my own. I'm going to go ahead and edit the same pop-up again. Video settings this time, we're going to do the private embed. And for the video code, I'm going to paste my video code from Easy Video Suite. This video, I think, was 900 by 501. So we're going to do 900 by 501. I'm going to save the pop-up because all the other things are staying the same. Let's go over here. Let's refresh. And here we go. Here's that video. Now this is going to take a while to load because it's an auto load or auto buffer video, so we don't have to worry about that. But as you can see, here's the full video. Here's the play button. Here's the share. And you know, if you do your own self-hosted stuff, you can set those to audio play, so you can have these pop-ups come up with audio play. And you know, cool to maybe have them say in the videos, click one of the buttons below, blah, blah, blah. Good to get them to take an action. But again, they can close it out if they want to. And that's that. Head back over here. If we want to create more pop-ups, we go into Create Social or Create Content Locker and keep on firing away. So hope you enjoyed this portion of Distributes, and we'll see you on the other side.